Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. This video today we're going to look at progress being made. Got the rebar across the entire width of the bridge now. We're going to be looking at the cranes that are being dismantled now. The project's coming towards the end of the cranes being needed. We're going to look at a few other bits on the compound, etc. Here's some big good progress being made. On my last video, the side of the bridge nearest to the railway station had been covered in the rebar, but as you can see now, they've got both sides of it covered in the rebar. I believe the next part of the project is to do a concrete pour on top of the rebar to then secure the top of the bridge deck before they go further towards putting road surface on it. So the big crane is still in the process of being dismantled. I did do a live on Monday night showing parts of this being dismantled, but obviously there's still quite a bit of it here. It's not a couple of hours of a job to take something like this apart. On the way over I did notice a couple of Ainscoughs vehicles taking parts of it away. Obviously it's going to take a while to get everything dismantled, put onto the vehicles and taken away off site. This is just looking over the works compound, got the railway station behind and to the left here. You can see the lot less activity than when the beams were being lifted in. Obviously they've still got quite a way to go, pouring the concrete, etc. But as far as I know, the line for the trains is due to be opened on time. If anybody does know anything different, leave it in the comments for me. So obviously I'm going to keep an eye on the project. So if you can like, subscribe and share and watch the next one, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks everyone.